Welcome to Norway and welcome to this stunning view. In the background here you can see the lighthouse called Færder. This is a lighthouse in the middle of the Oslofjord, providing security to all boats in this area. This is a dehumidifier. This is also called Færder. And that's because this dehumidifier is providing security to your boat. It will keep the moisture out of your boat and it will keep your boat dry and without any problems from condensation, from water coming in, from leakage, from temperature differences during the season, from all the gear that you bring into the boat, the sails you perhaps bring into the boat. And you know, getting moisture into the boat will cause condensation, will cause mold growing. It will be heavy because all the wood and the materials taking the moisture into the materials, and then the boat is getting more heavy, and a heavy boat is a slower boat, and it also consumes more fuel. So getting moisture out of the boat is a really good thing, and this dehumidifier is a very good solution to your moisture problems in your boat. The way it works is that you take this box, it's a metal box, it's desiccant technology inside. You place this in your boat. You can place it in a technical room, you can place it down under the benches, you can hide it away, and then you take a hose and draw the air from the boat into the machine. It's a 90mm duct here. This machine will then dry the air and blow the dry air back to the boat from this 90mm duct here. What happens to the water? Well, the water is not liquid water, but it's condensated air. So the wet air, so to say, is blown out of this small duct here, out through the hull and out to the outside air. So we have a rotational air going from the boat to the machine, back to the boat, to the machine, back to the boat, going in circles like this. And the small portion of this air will then go out here and take the water, take the moisture with it. So this is then placed hidden, and this control unit here, you can place it in the boat. And you got a long cable here, so you place this in the boat. This device here measures the humidity in the boat and control the dehumidifier so that you got the correct amount of humidity in your boat, because you don't want too much humidity, but you don't want the air to be too dry either. It's not a big problem to have it too dry, but you will consume more electricity than actually needed. So having this control unit here is vital for having stable, constant and correct humidity in the boat. In addition to this, if you want, and if you have Wi-Fi in the area or in your boat, you can connect your phone to the dehumidifier. We got a special app for that, and then you can control the dehumidifier from your phone. You can sit at home and you can check what is the humidity level in your boat while you are at home. So you get this security to know that everything is okay. So this dehumidifier called Arida Færder gives you security, knowing that the humidity level in the boat is where it should be, just as Færder, the lighthouse, gives security to all the seafarers in this area.